Good morning guys! Nagbabalik po ang ating video for today at ang topic po natin ay ang Michael Jordan and LeBron James combination moves po. Tara guys, samahan niyo ako. At ang gagamitin po natin na mechanics po ay ang spin move ni LeBron James at ang inside out ni Michael Jordan. Tara guys!
It's LeBron. He looks to attack. There's that spin. And there's LeBron with some steam. Here he comes. Spinning all the way to score.
Couldn't even react to get the ball.